Okay, good day to all of you. Without further ado, uh, let me get to today's topic. You probably already know what I'm going to talk about today. Uh, I'm going to bring you information about a film that will be released uh, this year. Uh, 20 years later, this is a film. Uh, it's an upcoming horror movie. It is produced and directed by Danny Boyle and written by Alex Garland. Cinematography Anthony Dad Montley. Edited by John Harris. Music by Young Fathers. Production companies Columbia Pictures, DNA Films, uh, British Film Institute, uh, Decibel Films. Distributed by Sony Pictures Releasing. Uh, Release date this year, 20th of June. uh, Running time is 126 minutes. Uh, this country is available in United Kingdom, United States. Budget goes to 75 million dollars. So I am stopping this video having uh, in the hope of beginning more information about this in the later. Uh, Subscribe to the channel to know more information like this. See you in the next video. uh, I will back later. uh, that's all. Good day to all of you. uh, you can comment this video. uh, yes, enough in video. uh, Bye bye. See you soon next video.